Hey everyone, how are you guys today? Here is yet another beautiful journal that was donated to us by Dani at JunkJournals&more. She's an Etsy shop owner. Also, you can also follow her on YouTube. She has a YouTube channel where she shows various things, her journals and crafty things and stuff like that. So please, down below is the direct links to all the information to find Dani and follow her and be part of her group as well. So thank you so much, Dani, for donating such a beautiful book. Her and her sister both did. If you guys already seen the Lion King one, that was from her sister at Junk Journals for You, which is an Etsy shop owner. But thank you, thank you. So for those who are just kind of freshly new, just jumping in here, this journal is up for a silent auction that you could be a part of. Right now, it's only $10. This is the starting bid. Down below is the direct link and information on how to go to this silent auction. It is a week-long silent auction. All the details are down below. Also, if you want to, as you go through this entire video, at the very end of the video, a video will pop up and you just click on it and it'll give you all the details and information about how to navigate through the webpage to go to these journals and any of the silent auctions that I'll be showing here throughout the week and weeks to come. So this is something I'll be working on periodically in between shop shares and things like that. But please help along, and all the information about Laura and why we're doing this fundraiser is also down below. So thank you guys for watching. So okay, I'm going to dig right in here, and like I said, this journal is filled with nothing but like vintage garden fairies. If you like fairies, you are absolutely going to love this book. I mean, it's just beautiful. I mean, we have handmade bobbin lace that is here that she had stitched on, and it's just, oh my gosh, between the appliques and flowers, even the spine here, if you can see here, look at those beautiful appliques and those beautiful pearls. And here's the back of the book. I'm trying to go a little slow so you can see, and see how she wrapped that beautiful doily around there. That was handmade. It's just a really good idea. I just absolutely love it. And a beautiful lady, and you got some beautiful flowers here. And on the front it says to let me see here. I got to turn around. Don't stop believing. I'm sorry. I had to back it up there because I can't really read backwards. So as you can see here, all the pages have been sewn with this beautiful lace trim along the pages. Just absolutely, sorry, I'm not even in frame. All right, so I'm going to untie the chiffon. As you can see, the Lion King journal had the chiffon as well. I love it. It ties very well. So when you undo the ties, it just does really well when you tie it. It kind of keeps it nice and tight kind of thing. But I was going to open it up like that. I'm a bit close. Usually I'm not this close with the camera, but I just wanted you to see a close-up this time, especially since I fixed my zoom, thankfully. Oh my goodness, thankfully I got that thing fixed. One of these days I was like, I think I was ready to give up, but hey, keep trying, right? Okay, so as I open up this book, before I continue through here, I wanted to show you the inside cover of the book and then the back side inside cover of the book as well. And then we'll go through the signature. It is one signature, and if I believe it is 35 pages, filled with beautiful, elegant fairies and cards and tags and stuff. So I can't wait. So this is the inside, but if you can see, look how beautiful this lace pocket is. Isn't that beautiful? And then, of course, a fairy lady right there. But I'm going to turn this here and then show you the back side is the same. Back page inside is exactly the same. See that? Isn't that beautiful? And these pockets are just filled with a lot of goodies, which I will go through. And then she put her handmade tag right there at the top. So make it to the front and go slowly because really there is no rush, right? I want you to see how beautiful these pages are. Lots of coffee dyed papers and beautiful, we call it scrapbook pages that have beautiful fairies. You see this? Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? Oh, so I should show you some tags before I continue on. So she's got some, look at the acorn money. The tag here. Look at that beautiful lace snippet at the top. How cool is that? The board game with the fairy. Board game card, I should say, with the fairy. like a paper like postcard that she had stitched around the border. And then here she has a note from the bookmaker. Oh, cool. And she has this typewriter letter here that is really, really cool. It says, if you like the look of this book, but wondering what you can possibly use it for, handmade journals, altered books, and junk journals are a source of fun, enjoyment, and fun for paper lovers. Use this notebook, diary planner for sketches. It pretty much gives you what you can do with the junk journal and how you can enjoy it. It also has the definition of what ephemera is. Really, really cool page. Isn't that adorable? Good idea. Loving that. Never seen that before. And then it's beautiful. Look how large tag. This is like totally cottage chic, fairy, garden, Victorian, all wrapped up in one kind of thing. All right, and that was just, I didn't even got to the first page. There. Really cool door. That's like a side opening to where you can bring out another paper that is a fairy, which is fig. How cool is that? On a coffee dyed paper. It's really cool. And I love how she stitched around the border. And here you go, on the border of each one of the pages is a beautiful lace. Look at that. She filled this up with so many tags. Look at that, guys. Coffee dyed paper. We got graph paper there. That is coffee dyed. Look at these cute tags with all those little snippet laces at the top. So elegant. Look how gorgeous. Starting bid is $10, guys. So once you run on over there and put a bid in, down below is a direct link to it. Please read the rules as you go to the posted silent auction. Please read through so you know how it works. And then just follow the steps and place your bid kind of thing. If you go through those steps, every silent auction, if you do it, you enter your email address when you subscribe, you will be notified anytime there's new notifications, such as someone placed another bid and they outbidded you. At least you have a chance to run back in there and place another bid kind of thing. Either way, check it daily to see where the bid is. The highest bid will be in the comment board. So look for the highest bid and then place another one if you feel like you want to place another bid kind of thing. Look at this beautiful paper. She left room for with a lot of journaling. If you feel like journaling, look at that, beautiful. It's like coffee dyed paper with like a shimmer. I don't know if you can see that in the book as I show the book. See the cute fairy on the border? Look at that. I love how she ripped the page. Don't mind the cat in the background. I just brought her in from outside and she's kind of mad. She loves the lanai. So, and then this tag here goes right into the pocket. Isn't that beautiful how that is, how she stitched along? If you guys can see the minty green stitch work. Isn't that adorable? See the cute little fairy kids? And this comes right back down. Isn't that cute? How she bedazzled that? Really cute. And look at that one. Loving these tags. I'm not sure where she got, if she printed them or what, but they are beautiful. You want to check out her shop. Down below is her information, and maybe she has these things as a digital or offers them in her shop. I'm not sure, but it wouldn't hurt to check it out, right? Also, go to this auction, guys. It's starting bids only $10. 100% of what who is wins is going to Laura at LaughingDogsBookNook. It's going to help her towards the family medical bills. Her husband has been battling cancer this year, so that is my goal, is to raise the funds. Look how that opens up so pretty for that. So, oh, look at that. It's like a little, totally like a little gift there. That is a cool page. Yeah, so support her and you guys get something really cool. It's a win-win. And you guys can check out some new shops that I'm sharing as well. I know that she's Junk Journals and More is not a new shop per se, but it might be new to you. I'm loving that. Look at that little corner pocket thing. It's so cool. And I loved how she layered that right there. Cluster, right? Beautiful. You see the lace snippet behind there and this cute little butterfly applique. All right, I guess can get going. I'm taking my good old time, ain't I? I just don't want to miss out on anything. See the beautiful fairies and ladies and a butterfly. There's a bag here, and she had sewn on or glued on some lace along the border. Look at that cool glassine bag. More coffee dyed, and look at that cute cotton vintage. Looks like VIP fabric with the little lace trim there. And cute little tags that come right out of that. Look at that. Loving that flower page. Look at that. Oh wow, that is a glassine bag right there. She has a pocket that comes out and it looks like a little fairy postcard. This is totally fairy. I know a few people, I'm not going to shout out names, but loves fairies or collects fairy items. This is, oh, look at this vintage card, postcard. You got the cute stamp on the back. And that cute glassine, coffee dyed glassine bag. Again, look at how beautiful she put everything, and yet still leaves plenty of room for journaling. I love how she used green thread that she had sewn in here. So you see the green thread, it kind of matches the different pieces and the papers as well. I hope my camera is showing you all those beautiful details. I know it's nighttime, so sometimes the lighting isn't the best. But look at that. This flips open like that. Oh, cool. Look at it, guys. It's an envelope. And there's goodies in there. Oh, wow. More goodies. Look at how cute. More of those stitched postcards, mini postcards. Oh, my God. So darling. It would be cool to put a little paper clip right there. Cute little bag. And look how she layered there with some, what do you call that gauze. You got a butterfly applique, and inside the pocket is like that acorn money again, like one of those board game monies. Must be like a fairy board game. It had money in it or something. It's so cool. All that in that cute little bag. Here's this cute little definition card, and in it says fairy dust. Continue on here. Lots of, this is totally girl. Wouldn't it be a cute gift for a little girl? Look at there. Isn't that awesome? How adorable. I love that. This reminds me of my grandma. She loved lace like that. One of those cards. It'd be cool to put a little stamp on the back, wouldn't it? On those. How adorable. Loving that little pocket right there. Another one of those glassine bags, and I bet you we're going to get another postcard, guys. Oh, wow. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Another vintage postcard. How lovely. So elegant, isn't it? Gosh, Dani, you did amazing. Loving it. The little vintage lace there. Handmade lace. A little paper clip, and I see we got an envelope coming here, and I bet you there's something inside. We are getting there. Yep, and it's called The Child and the Fairies. It's like either a poem or a quote. And it is by author unknown, which I'm going to leave that up to the person who gets to get this to read. What a gift, guys, isn't it? She gave this so then it can go towards Laura, and it's like this whole thing is a win-win. It helps everyone all around. It's going to help Laura, and someone's going to get a beautiful gift here, and for Dani, the gift of giving. You know, it's such a great reward. How cool is that? It's like a bingo card. It says fairy at the top. Another one of those corner things. I should know the name. I hear Kristen in my head. Kristen from Rock, Paper, Treasure. Selena, that is a, I can't remember. But the cute cluster there with a snippet of lace and another one of those beautiful butterflies, appliques. Oh, look at this tag. Oh my gosh. Makes you want to have a baby for a second. Isn't it adorable? Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. Look at this pocket. This one here. I've not seen that before. It's like a little corner pocket right there. And then you got that pocket right there. I've not seen that before. How cool is that? And then a cute tag. And then we got a tag here. Look at there. And then a tag here. Oh wow, look at that one, guys. Beautiful, lovely girl. How cool is that? There's like little pockets everywhere. I like how she ripped the page right there, so it's not exactly to the top. And when you put it over, you can see the glimpse of the beautiful paper in the backdrop. And it says Imagine, and there's a beautiful door right here, and another little envelope. Look at that envelope, guys. And inside, I bet there's some more goodies. Oh yeah, she totally filled this thing up, guys. Look at that. Cute. I've never seen a pink playing card like that. Oh, now that is cool. How cool is that? And then we have health. It's called Urban Myth. It's like these cards here, but look how cool though. A lot of goodies, guys. A lot to work with and play with. So cool is that? Be cool, like love letters or like letters from a husband to a wife. Isn't that pretty? Adorable. I love how she has the lines through that graph page. I wonder if she copy dyed this. Looky here. More of the fairy game stuff. Look at these tags. Man, she filled it up with such cute tags with the, look at the applique at the top and snippets of lace, vintage lace. Look at all those tags. Oh, look at this guy. Who's this? This is Fig 3, Dreamy Candlestick Elf. And of course, a cute little pocket. Look at that. Oh my gosh. We're almost there, guys. Fairy paper and beautiful lace and the trim. And look at that last page. Again, filled with a pocket of a lot of goodies again. Beautiful stitch work all over. And just quality laces and trims as well. Totally fairy, guys. Don't you agree? Fairy garden. I love it. Look at those. Beautiful. And a beautiful pocket here to put them in there. And it ties so beautifully. There you guys have it. That is a awesome journal created and donated for an awesome cause. And you guys can be part of it. So go ahead and click on that link down below to place a bid for this. Thank you so much, Dani and her sister for donating beautiful items for this cause. And again, to contact Dani and follow Dani and see who Dani is, they're at JunkJournals&more. Down below is all her information. Again, at the end of this video, another video will pop up that you can click on. It will help you navigate your way through the new webpage that I set up to where all this stuff is there. But just go down below also if you want to, and just all the information step by step is there as well. I'm trying to make this as easy as possible. I feel like I'm like sounding redundant, but I just want this silent auction to be easy for you guys, and a fun silent auction to where you guys get something awesome and it goes to Laura. So thank you guys for watching, and I'm glad I got these beautiful things to share with you guys. Again, thank you guys, and you guys have a blessed day.